The XDP rocker arm trunnion set is an upgrade for the often overlooked rocker arm trunnions in your Cummins. The factory-equipped rocker arm trunnions were not meant to handle the added stress of your modified Cummins. The XDP rocker arm trunnions feature an improved design to give you enhanced oil flow and to extend the life of both your rocker arms and trunnions. Each set is CNC machined from premium tool steel. They are then core hardened, precision ground, and nitrided for extreme durability. This kit comes ready to install and includes a refinishing kit so you could polish your rocker arm surfaces before installation of the new trunnions. To find out more about the XDP rocker arm trunnion set, check out xdp.com or find a local dealer near you.